Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Tech Trends. We are back here with another video.
What's the motive of the video?
Today's video is based on the tutorial to create amazing intro using Blender.
So let's get started.
First of all, you guys need the Blender application. For that, follow the screen. The link for the application is given below.
Keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
After installing the application will look like this.
It's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received.
Now just go to YouTube and type free intros for Blender and download any of them.
And when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down.
I am not showing that screen because of the copyright issue. After installing the file, unzip the file and follow the screen.
Fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun.
Now double tap on the text and then press Tab key. Type your text there.
Having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
After that, go to select the type of file you want and then click on Save button.
Never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun.
Now click on Render in that render application. Rendering will just take time, so don't lose your patience easily.
I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at.
Now our file is ready.
Oh, that was an easy process.
She liked the video. If you guys too like the video, then please like the video, share the video, and if you are new to the channel, to subscribe it. That's all for today. We will meet again in our upcoming videos.